In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and create a Roblox game using either Visual Studio Code or Cursor. This is particularly exciting because if you're someone who loves gaming and has ever been curious about making your own game, then you're in the right place. Now let's dive into the process. To begin with, the first thing you'll need to do is download your software of choice. You have two options here, Visual Studio Code or Cursor. Cursor comes with the bonus of built-in AI, which might be helpful if you want some additional assistance or features that are AI-driven. Visual Studio Code, on the other hand, is a solid and reliable choice that many developers use every day. Depending on what you prefer, you can choose one of these. Next, you'll want to visit the appropriate website for the software you've chosen. If you've opted for Visual Studio Code, there's a specific link for that, and likewise for Cursor, you'll find a separate link. Once you've reached the correct site, look for the download button. Generally, this button intelligently detects your operating system, whether it's Windows, Mac, or Linux, and selects the appropriate version tailored for your device automatically. Simply go ahead and click that download button. After downloading, follow through with the setup. The installation process is typically straightforward and user-friendly, so just proceed as guided by the setup instructions. Once you've successfully installed the software, you should find yourself on a welcome page or the main interface of the program. The next step involves downloading the Rojo extension, which is crucial for Roblox game development. If you don't see the sidebar where extensions are located, find the button on the top right. It's an icon you can click that unveils a variety of options. Hover over these until you spot the one labeled Extensions. You can also click any drop-down menus to find this option. In the Extensions menu, there's a search bar at the top. Type in Rojo, spelling it exactly as you hear it. Keep an eye out for the correct Rojo extension, which you'll recognize by its telltale red text icon. It's important to pick the correct one, so make sure you see that red icon before proceeding. Once you've found it, go ahead and click Install. The installation should be seamless and quick, setting you on the right path to begin crafting your own Roblox game. And that's it for the setup part. Now you're ready to start developing. So there you have it. With these steps, you're well on your way to creating your own unique Roblox game. Dive in, start experimenting, and most importantly, have fun with it. I can't wait to see what creative ideas you bring to life.